up, Chic Squad? Back in the building with another video. Okay, so today, guys, I'm going to be doing a mukbang. But before I do my mukbang, I gotta cook everything that I'm gonna have in my mukbang. So I decided to do a little cooking video just to like kind of show you what I'm gonna do. So I gotta kind of speed this up because the pan is ready. So I got to go. Okay. Okay, so I currently have my pan with some butter in it so it don't stick, even though it usually don't stick, but I just don't like it to stick. But I'm just gonna put my hamburger meat in here and season it as I go because it's just a little bit. If it was a bigger pan, I might would do it differently, but this is what I do. I just started off cooking like right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of my salad supreme. This is, people say it's for salads, but I always use a little bit in my food. I'm gonna use a little bit of lemon pepper. I'm gonna use a little bit of garlic and herb. And I'm gonna use a little dab of some Creole seasoning. I'm not gonna use too much of that because it will make it spicy. I let my meat go ahead and cook. I got some more stuff that I'm cooking too. So I'm going to put a pizza in the oven because, like I said, I'm doing a mukbang today. So you know, mukbangs is like, I guess you can put as much food as you want, right? So this is how my pizza is looking, and I'm ready to put it up in the oven. While that is cooking, I'm going to take some of my salsa. Okay, while that is cooking, I got me some TGI honey barbecue. And they come in a bag like this, and you don't get many of them. Okay, you only get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dang, they only give you a little bit. Take a little stick of margarine butter and just kind of lightly butter your pan so your wings don't stick. So just lightly, just butter it around. Okay, so here go my chicken wings. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven. My pizza is fresh out, ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this cheese whiz, honey, spoon. I'm gonna take this spoon and I'm just gonna pull some out like this. Okay, so this is how my meat is looking as it's cooking down with the cheese on it. Just a little bit, honey. Okay, now that my meat and everything is done, I'm about to put my like little nacho, you know, little meal together. So I'm about to do that and then we'll be ready to eat. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take my Doritos. I'm gonna put them down first on my plate. Put that on top of it. I love tomato. I'm gonna take my cheese, my shredded cheese. And this is what it's looking like. I got some sour cream that I'm gonna put on before I do the mukbang. So that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, honey, and make sure you follow me on to the next video where I'll be doing this mukbang, where I'll be eating all of this stuff that I just cooked. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new. And thank you guys for watching so much. Now I'm ready to eat. Okay, bye bye.